on the road. It's too dangerous. Wait, if you're going to do some work, you have to make sure that someone on a bike can somehow go around it safely. I can't cycle on the road because it is too dangerous. You have to make sure, it is by law, you have to make sure that someone on foot or by bike can go around it safely. Not like that. I won't slip. It is not safer there than on the road.
Maybe we have a chance to sleep right.
But here on the road, I have a much bigger chance of an accident on the road.
If you sleep on that lane, you'll get it worse.
And there?
But maybe from up there, you can pass from up there.
How do I pass from there if I am from there? How?